I'm Councilwoman Laura Pastor, and I am here at the Tradiciones Dance Studio with the director, Jose Soto, who is the director of Tradiciones Dance Company.
That's right. Welcome to our studio.
Well, thank you. And we're here on 35th Avenue between Thomas and Osborne, right in the center of District 4.
That's right.
What exactly are we doing here, Jose? What do you teach?
Well, we are a Mexican folk dance studio. We started back in 2010, and we started with 7 dancers, and now we are at 140 plus dancers, ages 4 to 45. And we teach Mexican folk dance. We teach about traditions. We also tell the stories that our grandparents used to tell us when we were kids, and we're just trying to make sure that those traditions and those legends and those customs don't die out.
So that's really the purpose of why you created the studio, or the company, was to continue the Mexican heritage within the United States and the traditions. Me, who happens to be a 5th generation American, but I'm a Mexican American,
Right.
Those stories and those traditions were passed along to me by my grandparents and my parents, and also the community. What exactly are the dances that you teach and the purpose of them?
Well, very early on, after we started almost 10 years ago, we realized that this was not really about us wanting to showcase ourselves as adult dancers. The 7 adults that started it back 10 years ago realized that it became more about the community. Kids started coming, families started coming and getting involved, and they started to want to learn, and they started to want to learn the steps and their names and where they came from and the origin. So every different state in Mexico has its own traditions, its own style of dance, and its own music. And this became very interesting to a lot of the new generations that had not heard that from their parents or had not really gotten the chance to experience that. So we just kind of rolled with that. And every year we research new material and we actually bring it to the States, and we teach our kiddos and our young adults and our adults new dances from different areas in Mexico, and they encompass all sorts of different stories and steps and traditions.
So what is one of the things that I think that dance brings to people is, first of all, bring traditions in life, but also it brings exercise.
Yes.
What would you say some of the benefits are in dancing?
Well, I'm also an elementary school teacher during the day, and I've seen kids come in through our dance studio doors with really shy personalities and shy character, and they just, by the end of our season, they just have flourished into these outgoing individuals. So I feel like through dance you can learn perseverance, you can learn risk-taking, also goal setting and working towards a goal. And through all these chances at trying something new and engaging in continuous practice, and also feedback from your instructors and teamwork, you develop a really nice sense of self-esteem and also pride in something that you're doing for yourself, and because you're part of it. You're part of this community.
You're part of a larger
culture.
community.
Yeah.
You build your self-confidence.
Exactly.
You learn how to communicate. You also learn how to follow, and then you also learn how to lead. So thank you, Jose, for everything that you do for our community. Thank you for building this dance studio to welcome everybody. Everybody's welcome to learn and come and dance. I really appreciate it. I think I want Jose, since it's Hispanic Heritage Month, to teach me how to dance.
The crossover is just stepping over, stepping over, stepping over, stepping over, stepping over.
I am Councilwoman Laura Pastor in the heart of the city, rockin' District 4.